Chapter 11. Tunnel Safety. The biggest safety threat on the busway is a fire, especially one in a tunnel. Unlike the open air, where smoke quickly disperses, in a tunnel, smoke accumulates. The most critical safety rule you must remember is never drive a bus on fire into a tunnel. Even if you think your bus might break down, don't drive it anywhere near a tunnel. Stop immediately and contact the BOC or NCC. If your bus catches fire when travelling through a tunnel, continue driving it out of the tunnel if possible. You may even be able to coast it out. If you have to stop, drive as close as safely possible to a yellow emergency exit. Apply the handbrake, stop the engine, open all passenger doors, and turn on your hazard warning lights. Contact the BOC or NCC immediately. Follow the evacuation procedure in your Busway Authorised Driver Training Manual. Direct your passengers off the bus and through the nearest exit door into the emergency egress passageway. Emergency lights will make the exit easy to find. If you happen to stop very close to a portal, your passengers might start to walk out the tunnel, rather than back towards an emergency exit. Don't try to stop them. In this situation, common sense should prevail. Use the quickest route to get out of the tunnel and away from the fire. The exit door is sliding and will open easily. When it opens, alarms alert the BOC. Fire cabinets line the tunnel next to exit doors. They contain equipment for firefighters. You may be asked to tell the BOC the chainage number on the closest cabinet door. Closed-circuit television cameras will show the BOC what's happening in the tunnel, and staff can communicate with you via the public address system. Automatic detection systems will pick up heat from a fire, and vehicles that stop in tunnels will trigger an alarm at the BOC. Jet fans on the ceiling will push smoke out of the tunnels, and within 120 seconds, a deluge system will release water over the roadway to start extinguishing the fire. The emergency passageway is protected from heat and smoke and has its own air supply. Use the emergency help point to talk with BOC staff. The passageway is lit and running man signs show you which way to go. The BOC will also direct you over the PA system. Point your passengers in the right direction and make sure the door closes behind you. Mobility impaired passengers may wish to stay in the refuge area until firefighters arrive to help them rather than going to the end of the passageway. Help them find a position where they feel safe and won't obstruct other passengers. BOC staff will monitor the situation using closed-circuit television cameras in the passageway and instruct you via the public address system. Walk to the end of the passageway and exit. If you are directed by a member of the emergency services or a busway safety officer, at this point, please follow their instructions.